Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to record the Hyperlapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right here to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera and one of this is the Hyperlapse mode, so let's pick it. Now here we are, we can start recording this kind of video by using this button, so let me start to show you how it works. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly now, because the Hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's tap by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to this one. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our Hyperlapse video. So it's pretty fast. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.